Jesus.
Really?
People, not take out on the phone. All who's on the birthday girl look good. Make some noise!
Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us.
We give thanks in everything. Big up all of the nice, clean people that will come out and show the support. You know, it couldn't have been possible without you guys. So hopefully bigger and better next year. Thanks for the support.
That's right. So why do you call this party couples and singles affair?
For me, it's all about togetherness. I promote family. I promote good vibes, good vibration. And what better theme than couples?
Boss a kiss, my boss. Boss a kiss, pana.
And singles, you know? And at the end of the day, it's always good when you have a partner. Right? One hand can clap. Yeah. Unity is strength. Two can make it tango.
Wow.
Yeah.
Best couple in the world. Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence. Make some noise one more time.
For me, I'm promoting couple. Straight. So I'm hoping that will like push a single next year to say, you know what? We need to tie something.
Find somebody.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where it's heading. That's it. Yeah.
Alright. So far that sounds good so far. So we have to say about the couples and moving the award.
Well, it's a good look, you know.
Yeah.
It's a good look.
While I kiss your neck and shoulders. No, don't be afraid to show it all. I'll be right here ready to hold ya. Girl, you know you're perfect from your head down to your heels. Don't be confused by my smile, 'cause I ain't never been more for real, for real. So just turn down the lights and close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor.
Pick up on a nice clean self again. Pick up on a nice clean self. Pick up on a clean heart. Pick up on self. I love the whole of it, regardless of where I come from. Whether Timberly uptown, downtown, I still need you. Pick up on self tonight.
Birthday, what's a birthday dance? Yeah. People make some nice now. Make some nice now. You can hear, woo! How the song go?
Anywhere you lead me, I will go.
Selfi TV, I catch that.
But you are the way to get the light. Jesus,
Shine the light in the crowd now.
you never leave me now.
Cannot be Selfi TV. We are watch.